Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar just kept on pushing down today, and I think I found the mistake. I think this right here is a lower high right here, obviously, but I think what happened there is we had a truncated wave 5 right here. I think this is a 1, 2, 3. There's your 4, there's your 5, which would have had my breaker structure area right here at that little spike, which would have caused us to start looking for sorts here, 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 and here. So, stuff like that happens. But now, most likely, it's pretty clear that this whole wave up is over. I would expect this whole wave up to be either an A or 1, which means we're likely either in a wave B or a wave 2 right now, which should be a pullback to the whole move up. So, throw your Fibonacci retracement on there. Likely, we're going to get some sort of a corrective pattern like an ABC or a WXY, potentially down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels. So, our primary goal over the next few days likely we'll be looking for shorts, maybe setting ourselves up for the non-farm payroll news on Thursday, maybe for a big old wave 3 or a big wave C possibly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.